6 Best Digital Products and Easiest Way to Earn $100 per Day. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Now is the time for us to discuss which digital products make $100 per day, and actually there are lots of niches or digital products that can generate $100 per day. I've changed it to Cricut because that is the keyword I notice as having the most search volume as a full phrase, SVG file for Cricut, which is the #1 digital product. But in reality, SVG files may be used for a wide variety of purposes in addition to Cricut machines. SVG files are most commonly used with cutting machines like the Cricut and Silhouette, but they can also be utilized with other devices like laser cutting machines. These are quite popular on Etsy because a lot of crafters enjoy and use SVG files that are ready to use. They frequently use SVG files to make scrapbooking cutouts and to put designs on things like shirts and tote bags. When I was looking through this product category's top earning listings for high-priced SVG files, I came across a number of bundles where the store was providing complete access to all of their various SVG files for a single fixed price. It's like a whole product bundle from this shop, and it's a paradise for crafters because they get a large number of products or SVG at a low price. This will also be more fun for a crafter when there are big discounts like on Black Friday. Even though it's a discount, digital products have almost 100% profit, so you will still get big profits even though they are on a discount. The second digital product you can create that will at least make you $100 a day is some type of document template. There are so many categories of digital products. You can sell SEO Etsy at your Etsy shop, so the store sells how to implement good and correct SEO for your Etsy shop. There are also those who sell how to do digital marketing that is good and right, especially in the field of social media. So the products that fall into this category vary greatly. Even if you are someone who has knowledge in the field of law, you can also sell various types of contracts, such as contracts for freelancers or contracts for company recruitment and so on, depending on the expertise you have. The next digital product that can generate $100 per day is a digital planner. Now, if you don't know what a digital planner is, it's basically a paper planner made to live on your iPad, or you can just print it out and stick it on your bedroom wall. Almost every sector can benefit from the usage of digital planners, which don't even have to be traditional calendar-style planners. Instead, they may be digital planners that can be imported into apps like GoodNotes for iPad use. So whether you're a fitness enthusiast, influencer, company owner, or anything else, you could create a digital planner that's more akin to a digital meal planner or food planner, or you could create a digital planner that is a calendar planner. There are a lot of possibilities here and a ton of tutorials on the internet to help you figure out how to create a digital planner, so make one customized to your audience. For example, someone had something like a content producer's planner in their digital planner shop. Now let's move on to the third digital product category you should look into: wedding templates. We are all aware of how expensive weddings can be. When you add up the costs of the venue, the dress, the catering, the stationery, and the decorating, the whole amount may occasionally reach tens of thousands of dollars or pounds. Because they provide editable templates that clients can print and use on their special day, wedding templates are a fantastic answer to this issue. This undoubtedly reduces the expense of getting married, which appeals to a lot of people. Let's look at Etsy again and search for wedding templates to see what kinds of items are actually selling the best there. You can try this wedding template if you want to open a business in an Etsy store. If you are curious about how much income a store sells for wedding templates, let's analyze it using Alera or other tools that you might like. Sales from this store reach $3.12 million of the total products he sells, and this is so big that even this month's income alone reaches $300,000 for all the products he sells. The uniqueness of this shop is that most of the sales are welcome signs, and if we look at the design he made, it's very simple. Even without tools like Adobe or other paid tools, you can make a design like this. The income from this design alone reaches $55,000, and he sells this product for $13, and I remind you again, this is a digital product, but at $13 this is the same as you get a profit of up to almost 100% of every product you sell. This store also sells a variety of other products that you can observe and learn about for your Etsy shop, such as bridesmaid info cards, cards and gift signs and so on. So my advice is, if you want to start making a wedding template or welcome sign or something related to a wedding template, then you can study this shop as a reference. This wedding itinerary, which to me resembles a wedding planner but has much more information included, is another intriguing offering. In general, wedding planners are quite well liked on Etsy, but I would admit that their creation takes more time because they frequently need a lot of pages and content to draw buyers. Of course, printable wedding invitations are another highly lucrative template in the wedding market. You may also consider including editable welcome signs, wedding programs, or seating charts in your store. The next digital product is a Lightroom template that is useful for beautifying a photo. If you are a photographer or editor who has the ability to edit an image or video, then this niche will suit you perfectly. You can offer preset templates for photos or videos to novice influencers, people who want to look aesthetically pleasing on social media. If you don't know what Lightroom is, then let me explain a little bit about Lightroom. Is an application that is available on PCs and cell phones to adjust the color of a video or photo. If you want to learn how to make Lightroom presets, you can just open YouTube or Google with the keywords "how to make Lightroom presets" and you can sell these presets on Etsy. Let's just check on Etsy whether sales from Lightroom presets are good or not. Just type Lightroom presets in the search field and you will find various presets that have quite a lot of sales. If we take a quick look, there are those who have up to 3,000, 4,000, 2,000 reviews in each of these Etsy stores, and some have even reached 15,000 reviews. You just study each of these stores if you want to create a store that focuses on selling Lightroom presets. The weakness of this product is that the price is quite cheap because it ranges from $1 to $4. And my advice if you want to sell this digital product is to make a bundle like some of these shops so that the price of the product you sell can be more expensive. The printable wall art market is the next digital product segment that is consistently making a lot of money on Etsy. People love to purchase curated goods from small business owners on Etsy, and home decor in general is one of the top performing areas there. However, wall art is one of those products that may be a bit pricey, especially if you want a large piece. That is the problem that printable wall art solves, since all you have to do as a seller is create digital versions of your artwork and sell them, allowing your customers to print them themselves or buy a professional. It is certainly an understatement when I suggest that this kind of product can earn you $100 per day, because you may earn much more than this every single day of the week. Let's just check how much income we can get by making printable wall art. You can type it on Etsy with the keyword printable wall art. Let's try to analyze it at a glance, and it can be seen that from this shop there were sales of 200,000 sales of all the products in this shop. Then, at the bottom of the title there is a bestseller inscription indicating that this product is in great demand by buyers. Then try to scroll down in the review section, sort it by the latest products, and many reviews will appear this month indicating that the product is of interest to buyers. So you can use the products in this shop as a reference if you want to open a store that sells digital wall art products. Let's also check with Alara how much income this shop gets. We enter the name of the shop like earlier in the flow, then it will show a lot of products that he made. It turns out that the product we are discussing is the number 8 best-selling product in the store, and its income reaches $3,600 for this month alone. So if you want to get $100 per day, then it can be fulfilled from just this one product and not from other products. If we check the best-selling products from this shop, it turns out that their income has increased 5 times from the products we discussed earlier, which reached $16,000 in this month alone. What's more interesting is that the total sales of this best-selling product generate $250,000, and this is quite fantastic for a digital product. I don't think any other niche in the digital product industry can compete and generate as much money as these listings. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.